Hello class, this is Ms. Montes. This week for the May 4th, we're going to be going over Achieve and you are going to have a quizzes on base words. So right here today I posted, good morning class, today's assignment is and is posted in classwork. So today, let me go ahead and click on to classwork. So for classwork here, this week I assigned this one. I added the picture so you're able to see which one it is. Tech skills are their superpowers. So it is a 5-step lesson that I'm going to review with you. Let me just log into my Achieve 3000 account. So remember, when you're doing your Achieve 3000 5-step lessons, you're doing it through Achieve. So when you go to Google Classroom, when I create the assignment, all you have to do is put submit it. Once you already did it on Achieve, you come back to Google Classroom and you click on the assignment and then type in submit it. That just helps me remind me that you have the assignment done and I need to go to Achieve 3000 to make sure that you complete it. So here we have the 5-step lesson for the week. Tech skills are their superpowers. So we have our before the reading poll. Remember, you do have your features here. It can read you. It can read you what text is here. If you want it to stop, you put stop. You have the play button. Here, remember, you have the audio speed. You can choose for the speed to be slow, medium, and fast. I usually keep it on medium, but slow sometimes helps you hear it better. Remember, you do have the highlighting tools here. So if I want to highlight a word, I'm able to do that. Just click on it and then it would highlight it. Okay, so as you know, we have our before the reading poll. This is before you read your article, and you do have the vocabulary words here as well. Remember, it will read it to you. So don't forget all the features that this offers you. So what do you think of this quote by educator Jenny Aldrich? Technology can become the wings that will allow the educational world to fly further and faster than ever before, if we will allow it. So this is saying that technology will help education go further. And right now is a great example of that. Because of the coronavirus pandemic, we had to switch to online teaching. So, I mean, for this case, I would totally agree with the post, and then I would write my sentence here. I agree that technology can be extremely helpful because, remember, I need that because part. Why? So you need to, once you do yours, you submit it, and it's going to give you that you submitted the poll. Now you go to the article. So remember, depending on your Lexile score, the article is either longer or shorter, but it's still the same topic. It's still talking about the same article, which is tech skills are their superpowers. So here, this is a nonfiction story. It tells you it was from Buffalo, New York, June 4th, 2019. I'm just going to read the first paragraph. Tech savvy tweens to the rescue. Teachers in an elementary school in the U.S. state of New York wanted to help their students create interactive games using the programming language Scratch. But there was a problem that had school officials scratching their heads. Many of the teachers didn't know how to use Scratch themselves, let alone teach someone else how to use it. Okay, so then it gives us a picture, and then you continue to read. It even offers you a video, so you can go ahead and watch the video as well. Remember, if there's a video or a handout there, you need to make sure you read it, watch it, and do it. Then you have the activity, which we know the activity questions are usually 8 multiple choice questions. Then again, after you read and answered the questions and story, Did your opinion change? If it didn't, you keep it the same. Write down here your sentence as well. Then it has your thought question. Write a summary of today's article. As you write your summary, complete the following steps. So remember, a good summary has a little bit about the beginning, middle, and end. So here is where you're going to type your response, okay, in the bottom. Then it's going to give you the poll results showing you everybody's opinion. The majority of people agree that technology is helpful for education. Then you do have that math question. It's asking you about the percentages. Then you have your stretch article. So this is a stretch article, gives you more information about that same topic, and then the stretch activity is also multiple choice questions. We're also looking at 8. So you can refer back to the article if needed. You're able to have 2 windows open at the same time. Okay, so that is the 5-step lesson for the week. Tech skills are their superpowers. So then after you have done that, that is going to be due today. One of you has already turned in. Excellent. Then on May 7th, you're going to have a quiz. Okay, so here I have the instructions for you. Hello class, today you'll be completing a quiz on quizzes. All you have to do is sign in and click on the link. The quiz will be on base words and root words. Let me fix this right now. Well, no, I'll fix it later on. Base and root words. Once you're done, simply submit. So you can screenshot or take a picture of your score and submit it to the assignment box. So you click on the link, it's going to directly take you to the test, to the quiz, and all you have to do is press play. So what is a root word for immediately? Okay, I'm going to do this one with you. And I got it right. Remember, it times you up here. It's going to be timing you. Okay. And then you would continue. It has a total of 10 questions. Okay. So like I said, this quiz has a total of 10 questions. It is based on vocabulary and base words, just to help you continue that practice for your English courses. Okay, so let me go ahead and go to our class stream. So upcoming, we have the Achieve 3000 5-step lesson, tech skills are their superpowers, and base and root words. Remember, Mr. Ramirez, our teacher aide, is also available to help you. So you can message him or you can message me if you need any help, and text me on Remind. This week, we will most likely have our Google Live Meet on Thursday or Friday, just like we've been having every week. So have a great, great week. Please stay safe. Please let me know how I can help you, or if you need any one-on-one tutoring, I'm also available to help you. I want you to succeed, pass the class, and move on to the next grade level. Have a great day.